What are you doing out? It's raining. You're crazy. He's all, yeah, maybe. Right? You don't mind the rain, do you? Nope, he just hides underneath the trees. Smart kitty. Shakes off his paws. Dedicated to the grass. Are you dedicated to the grass too? Oh, you're hiding underneath the table. Smart cat. Smart kitty. That's my boy. I think. Of course. Oh, there it is. They're covering up their butts with the tail. Look at that. You know it's raining when they got their tail covering up the butt. Yep. There it is. Tail down. Way down. You know it's raining. Ugh, I can't wait to go in. But they've been all over me. I haven't been able to type half of what I want to. Because they're like, we want to go outside. We got 5 minutes. Hey, Lila. You usually come out in the rain. What's going on? No? You got your 9 minutes of fame? Alrighty. Love you. You next? Are you ready, bud? He's hanging in there. Hi. Oh, you're up here now. Some things don't change. Some things just don't change. Uh-huh. Shadow cat. My little shadow cat. Yeah. I see you. I see you. Mwah! Okay. Time to come in. Okay. Time to come in. Oh, what a good boy. This is my first call. Maybe I should try filming more often. They'll just come on in. Okay. Time to come in. I'm filming. Oh, I should have started this a while ago. Thank you very much, Benny.